Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to Architect. You would like to bring data from a web page into Excel. Instead of copying and pasting, use Get and Transform. That's mean Power Query from the Data tab. This way, you can import website data properly into Excel. Once you create a web query, you can automatically get the latest data in Excel. You just have to refresh your query and update the query setting so it runs a refresh at specific intervals defined by you. I am presenting here how to easily import data from web to Excel. Let's go to the main and practical discussion. I will give you two examples here. As a sample, I am entering this link from which I am connecting a list of current prices of petroleum. Generally, we copy the web data and paste it in our Excel sheet, but it is offline data and it cannot update automatically. But there is a simple solution here. We can do it easily and link to online data by Power Query. For this, first as a demo data, I am copying this web address from the address bar. Then I will go to Data tab from Excel and click the Web menu. Next, I will paste the previously copied address in the text box and next click to OK button. Now we have to select the table from the table view. From now, data can be loaded directly in the form of tables and can be customized from transform option click. You can see here the table of the website is coming to my sheet in exactly the same way. Double clicking on the query table will take us directly to the previous transform option. Then I will edit product column from here. I am making fill down command for fill up blank cell. We can see here that this option is not working because Power Query is not recognize this format. For solution, I am replacing blank cell to null text above the action of fill down because Power Query is working in null value. Okay, successfully done. Easy to recognize, we can rename the action names. We have to click now close and save button. Then we can see my Excel table has been changed. Now I am showing the second example. At first, I am searching the all Upazilas name of Bangladesh. You can see that here is the list of upazilas, and I will copy and import this address link as before. We can see here that all upazila table is coming as division wise. At first I am changing the table name as division name, then all tables importing to our Excel sheet as table format. We can see here all upazilas are showing by comma in same column, but I want to see this name in separate rows. I am splitting the column by comma delimiter for all tables of Upazila column. Then I have to click unpivot others column to show the columns as same column. We can see that all splitted column merged by one column. Then I will combine all tables to one table from append queries option so that showing all upazilas in one table. Then I am removing unnecessary column. Next, have to load again to our Excel sheet. Finally, here we can see that is our customized table. When we refresh from the refresh button, the data tables will be updated automatically. So far today, thank you for being with me, and please subscribe my channel to get the new tips and presentation.